Hello, my name is Jerry and I'm the developer of the Streamline DSP. I'm going to be showing you a demo on how to use the Streamline DSP to modify this demo website. We're going to start by heading over to VS Code, where we see the Streamline DSP with almost 1,000 icons. You can use any of these icons by typing the trigger called Streamline and the icon name. If we head over to the website, you would see the Streamline icon inserted onto the header. We're going to add more icons onto this website. We can do that as well by typing the same trigger name called Streamline and the icon name. If we head over to the website, you can see 5 Streamline icons being used on this website. We're going to add a Streamline illustration onto this website to give the website more beauty. And we do that by typing the trigger name called Streamline and the illustration name. Over here, you can see this illustration also being inserted on this website. If you head over to VS Code, you would notice that the Streamline DSP inserts SVG snippets onto your project, in which you can change the color or size of any of the icon or illustration. You can see the color of this particular illustration has been changed, and all this will be available on the Streamline DSP package. Thank you.